Hi guys, just an update. After spending about 2 hours in the workshop to rectify the knocking sound, finally, after doing quite a number of test driving, they found out that it's actually the gearbox mounting that is worn out. Probably is when they remove the gearbox to change the clutch pad, it actually triggers it, make it worse. So it's very common when the thing is actually already worn out and you went and disturb it, it will actually give way lah. So in other words, it's actually a wear and tear. So finger crossed, now I'm driving back and hopefully we will not hear the knocking sound again. Fingers crossed. They did the test drive a few times and thank God no knocking noise yet, and hopefully there will not be. Let's just take a drive. After taking a good look inside the engine bay while removing the gearbox mounting and all, they found out that even the engine mounting itself is due to be replaced, but it's not that urgent. It's right on the list of things to change, and also the V-belt. It's a bit on the worn out side, so it's on the list of things to be replaced. So far, no knocking. So far so good. Okay, quite happy with it. Still, we cannot be too happy because it will just come like what I experienced previously. It was all okay when we drive back, and suddenly one day when you drive it a bit longer than usual, and oh, here goes the knocking sound. So far okay. Touch on steering wheel. The oil temperature has reached slightly above 100, so it's an optimum temperature, and usually this is where things might go away or might come, okay? So far, driving normally as I usually drive. No knocking so far. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. It feels nice. At last, some silence. Before this is actually driving me mad of the knocking noise. And of course, after spending about 4,000 ringgit, and it made the car even worse, it makes me wanted to fix the problem immediately. Oh yeah, according to the mechanic, after they have test drive and using the laptop to diagnose, the sudden rush of power, it might be caused by the carbon buildup, and also very likely its injectors are not that good already. Both of these things also will be on the list of things to be fixed or to be changed. So the list goes on and the surprises keeps on coming. That is what you get from owning a Continental car. Am I still happy with it? Yes, of course I'm still happy as long as I can still afford to maintain it. Otherwise, I have no choice but to sell it off. But no doubt, the driving pleasure and the power of this car, there's no match. The balance of comfort and the way it delivers the power, the DSG. Some say the DSG is a curse, but it's a curse in a good way. Okay, so far so good, so I'm going to refill. Stay tuned for any updates. Thanks for watching.